Good morning, students. Today, I made a mistake in the kitchen. Shall I share it? See, unfortunately, some water drops into the oil can. Oil gets wasted. See, oil and water, two immiscible liquids, they won't mix. So they stand separately when stored in a container. Yes, here comes the application of chemistry in daily life. I can suggest methods like decantation or the use of a separating funnel to get back oil from water. Decantation is used to separate the components from a mixture of two immiscible liquids like oil and water. The content is collected in a separating funnel. See the picture of a separating funnel. A round-bottomed flask with a narrow neck having a tap at the bottom. The content is poured in this round-bottomed flask. Fix it on a stand and keep it undisturbed for some time. The liquid starts separating. Oil floats on the top and water at the bottom. Keep a beaker below this tap and very slowly open the tap. You can see water drops getting collected in the beaker. When the layer of separation reaches near to the neck, close the tap. Remove the beaker of water. Now the round-bottomed flask contains some more water drops. Open the tap. Drain the last drop of water out. The flask now contains oil. Thus, oil is getting separated from water with the help of a separating funnel. Decantation or separating funnel can be suggested to separate such immiscible liquids. Now the second method is sublimation. What is sublimation? We studied in the first chapter. Some solids when heated directly gets converted into the gaseous state, skipping the liquid state. Example, ammonium chloride, naphthalene balls, camphor, etc. If your mixture contains these items, we can suggest the method sublimation. When heated, these contents get sublime and the second component will be getting collected in the equipment. See the arrangement. In a china dish, a mixture of ammonium chloride and salt, for example, is taken and it is closed with the help of a glass funnel. See the funnel's neck is closed with the help of a cotton piece. Heating device is also arranged. When gets heated, what is observing? Ammonium chloride gets sublime, means converts into the gaseous state. After some times, it gets collected on the inner walls of the funnel. And in the china dish, common salt left behind. So, compounds that contain ammonium chloride, camphor, naphthalene balls, etc., we can suggest the method of separation sublimation. Because these solids have a property, that is when they get heated directly converts into the gaseous state, skipping the liquid state. The third method suggested is chromatography. It is used based on a principle of travel speed of components of a mixture. Travel speed of components of a mixture. It is used for separating dyes and pigments from a mixture. For example, ink. There are many types of chromatography, paper chromatography, column chromatography, etc. See, paper chromatography. We need a strip of filter paper and on it place a drop of ink. Fix this paper on a stand and keep this paper in a beaker containing water. See the arrangement. Also notice the paper just touches on the level of water. It is not fully immersed, just touching only. Wait for some minutes. What is observing? The different components of ink, the different colors get pasted on the filter paper one by one. What are the applications of chromatography? It is applied in the separation of colors from dyes, in the separation of pigments from natural colors, also in the separation of drugs from blood for pathological test, means blood test conducting in clinical labs. So, 3 methods today we discussed. One is decantation or use of a separating funnel. The mixture we'll select is that of a mixture of immiscible liquids, oil, water. The second method, sublimation. Solids that sublime can be separated with the help of this method. Third method, chromatography, separation of the different pigments. Chromatography is applied. That's all today. Thank you.